Tired of hearing the same old stories about overnight success and hustle culture? What about the real grind? The financial wars fought by Black women who dared to build empires from scratch. This is not just another business story. This is Money Traps, the untold fight for wealth and power. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to support the channel. Meet Monique Jackson, a hairstylist from Atlanta who opened her first salon with a $15,000 loan. She thought she was being smart, until she realized the interest rate was nearly 28%. With slow customer flow and piling bills, her debt doubled in just 6 months. The trap? Predatory lenders targeting minority business owners with deceptive terms. Listen to Monique.
I didn't know better. I just wanted to build something that looked like me.
Across the country, Tasha Green pitched her eco-beauty brand to 37 investors. 36 said no. Because as a Black woman, she was statistically less likely to be funded. But she didn't quit. She turned to crowdfunding and raised $300,000 from a loyal community. Lesson? Sometimes, community beats capital. Angela, a single mother in Detroit, launched a fashion brand during the pandemic. No childcare, no partner, no funding. Just grit. The trap? Burnout. She was praised as a strong Black woman, but behind the scenes, she was exhausted. Only after collapsing from exhaustion did she learn to delegate, hire help, and rest. All 3 women almost lost everything, but they learned. They turned traps into stepping stones. Monique refinanced and built a franchise. Tasha now mentors underfunded founders. Angela partnered with a wellness brand and got featured in Essence. They didn't just survive. They thrived. Financial traps are real, but so is resilience. This was Money Traps, true stories of financial greed. Please, remember to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on notifications for more shocking truths and inspiring comebacks. Drop a comment below. Thank you for watching.